Hello everyone, welcome to my video report number 4. Last week the whole process before development was completed. The design was approved, the web version of the site was wrapped, and the project structure was also developed. From Monday of the first week I began development. After discussing the details with team lead, we divided the project into small parts. And the first part is authorization part. Since the customers didn't specify the details, I was given the choice which technology to use, and I used the JVT technology. To create a JVT, you need a token. You need to define a header with general information of the token, payload such as user ID, role, etc. And last one is signature. In simple words, JVT is just a string in the following format: header, payload, signature. Let's say we want to register on the site, and in our case there are three principles: user, application server, and authentication server. The authentication server will provide the user with a token with which he can later interact with the application. The application uses JVT to verify user authentication like this. First, the user logs into the authentication server using an authentication key. This can be a login password pair, or a Facebook key, or a Google key, or a key from another account. The authentication server then creates a JVT and sends it to the user. When a user makes a request to the application API, he adds the JVT he received earlier to it. And when a user makes an API request, the application can check, using the JVT sent with the request, whether the user is who he claims to be. In this scheme, the application server is configured to check if the incoming JVT is exactly what the authentication server created. According to customer requirements, MySQL was chosen as the database, and basically up to 80% of the project use MySQL. I made a connection with database, and the last step was I uploaded the project to the server. And I think that's all of this week. Goodbye to the next report.